Hey folks. Down here sifting through this little cave in. This is the first thing I found that's worth mentioning. I thought it was chipped up there, but it looks like it's supposed to be that way. Must have been a little, check it out. So it's got the raised embossing on it. A reliable doll. Made in Canada. It's been a doll bottle. Yeah, look at that. Cool. Just dug this up. Porcelain. It looks like it might be a toothbrush holder with a toothpaste holder. Got two screw holes up here. See if I can. Yeah, see how that is? It looks like a toothbrush might fit down in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toothbrushes and a toothpaste holder. That's different. On to the next. Got something showing here. I don't know if that's something in it or if it's a design on it. Two-tone. Let's pull it out and see what it is. Ah, one of those Scott's cod liver oil bottles. This is a brown one though, by the looks of it. I've only ever had the clear ones. Awesome. Screw top, but still, that's a nice find. Cool beans. Loving it. On to the next. We got two things here. First is this insulator. It's an Armstrong. There's no date on it. Made in USA. And on this side is Armstrong down around the bottom there. It's all in like a slanted writing, which I haven't seen that before. I'm not going to be able to get a good picture of it here. Get it cleaned up first, I guess. Okay, that's that. Then this little stubby vial. Not embossed or anything. Kind of neat though, little stubby. Alright, on to the next. Got my third marble of the year. Surface find, it was sitting there. Nice blue and white swirls on that. Beauty. Right on to the next. Oh, check it out folks. That would have been nice. Wow, look at the color in that. Too bad that's all busted up. Frig. That would have been nice. Oh well. Onward. So here we are at the roundup, and in this roundup I actually have two separate hunts. The ones in the front here are what you've seen in the video. I'll try to keep it quick. That's a Noxzema bottle there, cobalt blue, nothing real special. This is from the 1930s, the Scott's Emulsion cod liver oil bottle. It's a screw top, but that's a nice bottle. That was the shoe polish bottle. I found one last time I was out, and I got this one this time. This one's actually in better condition. Found two back-to-back hunts. That's an old glue bottle. It's got some embossing on the face of it. These little ones here, that's the Reliable Baby Doll bottle. From 1932, I believe. Cheesebro bottle, 1920s or 30s. This Armstrong insulator, which is probably from the late 40s or early 50s. And this porcelain toothbrush holder. That's the first hunt. And then the second hunt consists of all these in the back here that I didn't film any because the hunt wasn't really planned. It just kind of happened. This Raleigh's bottle, 1890s cork top. These two little ones here, olive oil bottle most likely. I'll just go ahead and say that's what it is. They both got the pink tint to them, so they're early 1900s or late 1800s. That's a neat little bottle. Got a bunch of Bordeaux wine bottles. No idea the age on them. Maybe from the 50s or 60s. Nice colors. This here is probably like from the 50s or 60s. Maybe 40s, I don't know. Ballantine's Scotch whiskey. It's really dark. Amber. This is the Cooper 40-ouncer gin bottle. Nice green bottle. Look good displayed. And finally this ceramic insulator. In really good condition. Well, so that's it, folks. And we'll catch you on the next one. Happy hunting, everybody. And have a good day.